We want to empower people not by saying, hey, I brought you something, but saying, hey, I'm going to show you how you can go out and get it yourself. Whenever I give interviews, interviewers always ask me, is there anything else you'd like to add? And I say, well, yeah. Our great goal is to no longer exist. We'd like to not be necessary anymore. We'd like our technology to make its way into the open source community and be another tool that people are picking up and using as they see fit. That way, we are not leveraging the technology and saying, hey, everybody go out and use it. It's there. It's usable if you want, not if you don't want. And I think that strategy may, I hope, proof us from that danger of the de-skilling cycle where all of a sudden it just ends up that, yes, people can manufacture their own pharmaceuticals, but they're calling up, Four Thieves hotline saying, hey, my Daraprim didn't come out right. Can you help me? And instead, people are at home and they're innovating on their own. They're building things on their own. They're utilizing the technology in ways we hadn't thought of. They're developing new medicines that nobody's created before. They're utilizing the technology in ways we hadn't imagined. They're creating medicine we hadn't thought was possible. That's what we hope for.